Hello everyone, we are from Group Cookies, want to present about Fedora operating systems. Hope you guys enjoy the presentation.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Aqilah binti Jazlan. My matric number is 1190509.
Hi, my name is Nur Farah Ilyana binti Md Rabu. My matric number is 1190538.
Hi guys, my name is Ainin Sofea binti Rosman. My matric number is 1190561.
Next, let's take a look how to install VMware. Step 1. Download VMware. Step 2. Run the installer and click Next. Step 3. For the end-user license agreement, click Next and accept license terms. Step 4. For custom setup, select the folder that you want to install in the application. Also, check the box Enhance Keyboard Drivers option and click Next. Step 5. For user experience settings, check the options for Check the product update at startup and join the VMware customer program. You can uncheck it if you so desire. And then click Next. Step 6. Installation begins and wait for it to complete. And now, you will see VMware Workstation Player ready to be used.
How to install Fedora? Okay, first you need to download the Fedora file at the given website. The second step is to open the VMware. Next, click the Create a new virtual machine. Then you will see a pop-up tab. Then, set up the settings there, such as the save location, the hard disk, memory and the network adapter. Finally, click the Finish button.
Now, let's see the video about Nmap.
Nmap SP. So, what is Nmap SP? It is a network exploration tool and security or port scanner. SP means skip port scan. This option tells Nmap not to do a port scan after host discovery and only prints out the available hosts that responded to the scan. This is often known as a ping scan, but you can also request that traceroute and NSE host scripts be run. So here at the command prompt, let's run the Nmap. So right here, Nmap SP 192.168.31.129. Yep, the Nmap is done. There's one IP address, the host is up, and it stated the MAC address here. So now, at the Wireshark, let's filter the IP address and TCP. After filtering, this is the capturing result at the Wireshark.
Next, Nmap command. Type the Nmap that appears same on the screen and run it. This section called TCP scene style scan, and the function is to scan ports of most popular protocol, which is TCP, and the result will come out, and yeah, Nmap is done. After that, we go to the Wireshark and filter the IP address and TCP. Several packets will be displayed, such as the packet content scene, scene egg, and the others. So that's all. Let's proceed to the next Nmap.
So now we will see the last command, which is -o. So -o is command to enable the OS detection. So now let's type nmap 192.168.31.129 -o, and then start the Wireshark. So we will press enter and wait for the scan. So here is the result. OS detection is performed within 8.81 seconds. So the result shows that too many fingerprints match this host to give specific OS details. So we cannot get the specific OS details as too many fingerprints. So that's all for OS detection.
Before we go to the end, I would like to share 3 reasons why you should use and explore Fedora. Firstly, Fedora is bleeding edge. Fedora is known as a bleeding edge Linux distribution because it is always rolling out with the latest software, driver updates, and Linux features. This is one of the reasons why you can use Fedora with confidence as soon as the installation is finished. Secondly, Fedora has a good community. If we were to rank the fan base or community support of major Linux distros, Fedora would be at the top of the list with the likes of Ubuntu and Kali Linux. Fedora is one of the largest communities in the world, with a forum filled with a large number of users that will assist you in resolving any problems you may encounter while using the distro. And finally, Fedora is easy to use. The most common Linux distros are well known for their ease of use, and Fedora is among the easiest distributions to use. Its simple user interface is easy enough for anyone to learn after a few clicks, and all of its applications provide the same user experience, giving users a sense of consistency and familiarity. I think that's all from us. Thank you.